Today, we're going to look at words that are different in American English and British English. That means two people speak English, but they use different words for the same thing. One word in the UK and one different word in the USA, but they both mean the same thing. Hello everyone, welcome back to English with Lucia, where English is fun, easy, and sometimes a little bit silly. Let's go on a little adventure and learn some of the words that people use in British English and American English every day. I'll explain what each phrase is so you can understand it clearly. Okay, are you ready? Chapter 1, at home. Let's start in the house. Where do you go when you need to pee or poo? Where do you go when you need to pee or poo? Toilet, bathroom. These words both mean the room that you use when you go to the toilet. In British, we say toilet. In America, people say bathroom, even if there's no bath inside. Some British people might say loo, which is informal, or latrine, if they're 100 years old. For example, you could say, excuse me, where's the bathroom? Or, excuse me, is there a toilet nearby? What do you throw your trash in? Bin, trash can. This is the container where you put trash or garbage. You might find one in the kitchen or one outside. For example, please put your sandwich wrapper in the bin, or throw it in the trash can. What do you use when it's dark? A torch? A flashlight. This is a small light you hold in your hand. You use it when it's dark, when you go camping, or if there's a power cut. For example, it's really dark here. Did you bring a torch? Or, I left my flashlight at home. Do you have an extra one? Let's go outside. Where do you walk on the side of the road? Pavement, sidewalk. We know which one's right. There is no safe path on the side of the road. Oh, there is the safe path. It's not safe. Nothing's safe, okay? Nothing is safe. Hide your kids, hide your wife. This is the safe side on the road where people walk. You shouldn't walk on the road, of course. For example, stay on the pavement, please. Or walk on the sidewalk. What do you use when you walk your dog? Lead. Leash. This is the long strap you clip to your dog's collar to walk it safely. It helps you control your dog when you're outside so it doesn't run away. For example, please put your dog on a lead, or use a leash so your dog doesn't run away. What do you push your baby in? Pushchair, stroller. This is a chair with wheels for babies. Parents push it when they go outside with their baby. For example, let's take the baby out in the pushchair, or let's take the baby out in the stroller. Now it's snack time. What are these crunchy snacks? Crisps, chips. These are thin, salty snacks made from potatoes. They go crunch when you eat them. For example, would you like some crisps with your sandwich? Or, I love barbecue flavored chips. What are these warm potato sticks? Chips? French fries. These are fried potato sticks, usually served with burgers. British chips are usually thicker than American fries. And yes, fish and chips is basically fried fish and homemade fries. For example, oh, the fish and chips we had last night was so good. Or, let's get some French fries from McDonald's. Or, let's get some fries from McDonald's. Let's go for a drive. What's the back of the car called? Boot? Trunk? This is the space at the back of the car. For example, put your suitcase in the trunk, or I forgot my bags in the boot. What's the front of the car called? Bonnet? Hood. This is the part of the car that covers the engine. It opens from the front. For example, the car won't start. Open the bonnet. Or let's check under the hood. Where do you go when you need to get fuel? Gas station? Petrol station. This is a place where you can fill up your car with fuel. In the UK, the fuel is called petrol. In the US, the fuel is called gas. For example, we need to find a petrol station. Or, let's go to the gas station. What do you do when turning? Indicator? Turn signal. This is the flashing light on your car or vehicle. It tells the other drivers which direction you're going. For example, don't forget to use your indicator or turn on your signal. Let's go to class. What do you use to fix a pencil mistake? Rubber? Eraser. This is a small tool to remove pencil writing. It's usually pink or white and soft. For example, I made a mistake. Please pass me the rubber. Or, can you hand me the eraser, please? What do you carry books in? Rucksack? Backpack. This is a bag you wear on your back, and you carry your school supplies in it. For example, my rucksack is so heavy. Or, put your lunch in your backpack. What do you call time off from school? Holiday? Vacation. This is when there's no school and you can relax. British people go on holiday and Americans go on vacation. For example, we're going to Spain on holiday. Or, I love vacations. Let's get dressed. What do you wear when you're cold? Jumper? Sweater. This is a warm piece of clothing for your upper body. It's made of wool or cotton. For example, it's chilly. I want to wear my sweater. Or, it's so cold. Where is my jumper? What are these called? Trousers? Pants. These cover your legs. You probably wear them when you're out in public. I hope so. For example, I bought some new trousers yesterday. Or, these pants are too tight. What do you use in the supermarket? Trolley? Cart. This is a wheeled basket that you use to carry around your groceries. You will usually find them at the entrance to a grocery store. For example, grab a trolley near the entrance or get a cart for our stuff. What brings your letters and postcards? Post? Mail. This is how you receive letters or packages. British people say post, whereas American people say mail. For example, did you pick up my mail yesterday? Or, I'm still waiting for the post to arrive. What is a big delivery truck called? Lorry? Truck. This is a big vehicle used to carry goods. In America, it's a truck, and in the UK, it's a lorry. For example, a lorry is outside. or a truck is delivering our boxes. Finally, sweet treats. Biscuit, cookie. Both are small, sweet baked goods. In British, we say biscuit, and in American, they say cookie. For example, would you like a biscuit with your tea? Or, I would love a cookie. They're so yummy. Isn't English amazing? Even though British and American people use the same language, they use so many different words. But that's okay. You don't need to choose one. You can learn both. The most important thing is keep speaking, keep learning, and enjoying English. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, click the bell for more English videos with me. I also have a website, English with Lucia, so you can book private one-on-one classes and start improving your English today. I also have some English courses soon, so save the page. Great job today, guys. See you next week. Bye bye.